Tutorial on how to use a questioning system in Google Classroom, such as pose a question. So if you come down to the plus sign on the teacher side on the left side, and again on the right side is the student side, I can just create a question. Now a question is nice because it's a way to create a quick question like a ticket out the door and get analytics really quick like Google Forms on what everybody answered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down and hit a question. And now what I'm going to do really quick is say, what is your favorite color? All right. Again, you don't have to provide details if you don't want to. I'm going to deliver this question really quick. It is, let's say, multiple choice. It's not short answer, it's multiple choice. And I'm going to say red, blue, green. All right, and then, okay, orange. All right, so now what I'm going to do, students can see class summary. So I guess that's going to say basically how other students voted. So what we're going to do here is I only have one student. It's going to go only to this class. I can select multiple classes if I want to. Again, you can add things if you want. I'm going to ask the question. So I click ask. So it's been delivered. So on the student side of the screen over here, you can see if I refresh the browser, that a question should pop up in the top. What is your favorite color? So I can come in here and just say, okay, green, and hit submit and submit. So now I see right here that one person has chosen this answer. Now, had I gone back in here and hit edit and uncheck students can see the summary, let's refresh and see if it lets me change it natively like I just did. And see, it just shows what my answer is. It doesn't show anything else. Again, if I had the cell phone out, I could have showed you the same thing on the cell phone. I could have answered this question just like I did on a Chromebook and submitted it the same way. Going back, if you want to ask a question, like a short summary, so let's go back and do a question and say, what is something you are interested in? Right? Set the no due date. I'm not going to do that. It's only going to the same students in this class. It's short answer. Students can reply to each other. So that basically means that you can get people to be involved in this question and go back and forth. So if I do this, then let's see what they see. So I'm going to go ahead and hit ask. I submitted that question. Let's refresh and see what the student view sees. And then, okay, computers, submit. All right, and so they can come down here and see classmate answers, and then they can reply to what they wrote. Now, if you don't want them to do that, you can click edit, uncheck students can reply to each other, click save, and let's go back and hit the refresh button. And so your answers. So I see that the student sees what they type, but they don't see anything else. All right. So that's one way to control how you use the questions. So anyway, I hope this was useful. Look at what the teacher sees on what is your favorite color. Again, you can give feedback on it, but you get a breakdown of how everyone voted for a certain thing. So thank you so much for watching this short tutorial on how to pose a question in Google Classroom. Thank you.